Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about my magnets that I'm making for my fridge. Here is the mold I got from Hobby Lobby. It was $12.99. It's silicone. They're, quite thin. They're about 2 inches. The letter's about 2 inches in length. And if you use the coupon, you can get this for about $8. So that's a really good deal. My plan with these is to pull them all out of the mold, and I'll go through that with you guys. And then I gotta go to Hobby Lobby today and get magnets and some more resin so I can attach the magnets to the letters. So thank you guys for watching, and let's go to Hobby Lobby. Alright guys, I just got back from Hobby Lobby. And now I'm going to put my magnets on my letters. If you haven't seen my video about my Hobby Lobby haul, go check that out. But for now, we come back here and doing the Resin Alphabet. So I thought these are small magnets, and putting one right here is not going to interfere too much with the letter. It's not going to make it look super ugly or anything. So I'll take you guys down here and show you what I'm doing. Alright guys, here we are. Down here I have flipped all the magnets upside down so that I know what side to put the magnet on. And I did this after I laid it all out the right way so I didn't get any of them wrong, because I would not want to put any letters upside down on the fridge. Alright, so here I got my magnets. Here I got the UV resin because it just dries so much quicker than waiting an entire day. And I also have my UV light. This is the Sun Mini UV LED nail lamp. And this was like the cheapest one I can find. It was like $11 or something, $12 with shipping. And I mean, it works great. It does what it does job. It seals it after maybe a minute or two of sitting there. So that's all I'm asking for. And it has these little foldable legs, which make it good for storage. Alright, so let's open up these magnets. Oopsie. I'm not too sure what I'm doing. Maybe I just push them out. Okay, so they just came out in this line. So I pulled an entire section out. Oh! Oh, there's more! Oh, I grabbed 2. What is happening? Okay, so now I have 2. They're very strong. They just... Can you hear that? Wait, where's the camera? There we go. Very strong. Alright, good. Don't have to worry about that. And now I'm probably going to pull them all out, I guess, because I'm going to need that many for these letters. And then I'm going to get my UV resin open. I will say it already smells pretty interesting. It has a seal, that's good. Alright, so let's read the instructions here. It says 2 to 4 minutes with the lamp and 10 to 15 minutes with direct sunlight. Alright, let's see how this goes. Let's start out with my favorite letter because my name starts with it, J, and it's closest. Yeah, whatever. Alright, J. So I'm just gonna put a little dabble of glue or resin. So just a small little dollop. Alright, and I'm gonna take one little magnet. Make sure it's just one because they're so little. Alright, so I'm just gonna try to drop it in the resin. Ta-da! Okay. So can you see it? Sit in there. Now I'm going to use a popsicle stick to clean up a little bit. Alright. Now the magnet is completely surrounded by this drop of resin, so I am going to say it is very unlikely that it is going to fall out. But just in case it does, I'm going to add another little dollop of resin to the top of it, just so that the sides get a little bit more resin around them. I just really don't want this to come off because these are so tiny little magnets. Alright. There we go. There is one. Alright, so I'm going to keep doing this and then we will come back in a minute. Alright guys, this J has sat under the sun for 3 cycles now, and so now I'm going to feel it. Alright, it does feel a little bit tacky still, so I would, oopsie, so I would probably want to leave that, maybe let the whole set cure in the sunlight for like an hour or something, just to make sure everything is completely set. But I still need to file the edges off of these with some sandpaper, But after that, these will be super awesome. So let's go over to a magnetic structure and see how they stick. Alright, let's get this sparkly J magnet to stick. Ah. So it looks like it is not gonna work. It's too heavy, maybe? Let's see how the other letters look. Alright, so this didn't work out how I was hoping. It looks like I'm gonna have to put another magnet on each one. So each one is gonna need 2 magnets. One here, one there, and then it'll actually stay. Otherwise, they're just gonna hang out. So when I have a little extra cash, I will go buy some more of these magnets, and I will make a part 2 of the resin magnet series, and I will show you guys how they end up turning out, because this is not going to work. So I guess what I'm going to do now is just sandpaper the letters, make them look all fancy and nice, and then the next time I have a little extra cash, I will go get another magnet to put on the other side, because they're a little too heavy. So that is too bad that the magnets are not 100% yet, but I hope that they will be by next week maybe. This was really fun making these. I really enjoy using resin because I like taking things and encasing them and just using random things and making things beautiful. I don't know why, but it just makes my heart smile. It makes me want to keep working and doing stuff. So we will continue on this journey in another episode of the alphabet resin letters. Resin alphabet letters. Is that grammatically correct? Alright. See you guys later. Bye-bye.